Hello and welcome to TAIK. I'm Mohammed Adnan. I'm making the videos on YouTube from last few years, 3 videos in a week. And YouTube is generally free. And I believe you guys have learned a lot from my channel. That's why you have always supported me and motivated me to do a lot more. I try to make the videos based on your requirement, but sometimes it didn't happen. Now, YouTube has given a way to engage with me on a priority basis with the help of YouTube membership. Let me tell you in detail about what the membership is. So, what are the benefits you will get after becoming a member of my channel is you will get early access to my weekly videos, priority on video comments and on live chat, and you will also get a producer tag at the end of the video, and this will be a huge thanks from my side. And sometimes you will also get a member only videos and posts, and also you get an option to call on demand. It depends on the what membership you select. Point to note, you can get in and get out at any time from the membership, but it's a monthly payment. It's really a small amount of the payment, so you can consider that. I hope you will love to support and join in the YouTube channel membership and become a super supporter and fan of this tag. Thank you.